Chotu TV.
Let's complete this puzzle. Where is A? A. A for apple. Where is B? B. B for ball. Let's find C. C. C for car. Now D. D for dog. Where is E? E. E for elephant. Now F. F for frog. Now where is G? G. G for giraffe. Now H. 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 H for horse. Let's find I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. Now where is K? K. K for king. Now L. L for lion. Now let's find M. 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 M for monkey. Where is N? N. N for nest. Then O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Where is Q? Q for queen. R. R. R for rabbit. Now S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. Now U for umbrella. There is V. V for van. W. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yacht. And Z. Z for zebra. A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zebra.
Chotu TV. Please like, share and subscribe.